Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to edit the mobile navigation menu in your Wix Studio website. So here I am in my Wix Studio website. I'm using the desktop view. So in order to change to the mobile view, let's just click on this icon right here that says mobile. And after we click on it, you'll automatically see that the menu of the desktop version has been changed into a navigation menu in the mobile version. So we'll just click on this and then we will click on edit menu, and then now we can edit our navigation menu. For example, we want to change this content right here. We can click on manage menu and then we can add some more items right here. So for example, I want to add another page and then it will be added right here. And then if you want to change the look of your navigation menu, if you want to change the placings of your pages, you can do so as well. Just drag and drop this specific page. And then if you want to edit different designs of your navigation menu, for example, the alignment, you can click on align to left. And it will take some time since right there, since my website has loaded, it aligned the navigation menu to the left or into the right. You can do that as well after it has loaded, and then it changed the alignment to the right, and then you can also align it to the top, to the bottom, to the center, and so on and so forth. So I'll just choose the horizontal center. If you want to change the size, you can change the pixel of your navigation menus. For example, I'll change this to 200. So it doesn't really do much since, the menu aligned to the right again. So let me just align it to the center. And then the pixel size again change to 105 since it exceeds the size of the mobile version website. You can also change the behavior of the menu if you're changing the size of it. You can change other things as well. For example, if you want to change the items, you will click on menu items. If you want to change the container, you can click on container and you can add a background if you want. For example, I will choose red and then I will change the opacity, and then now we have the red background of our container of our navigation menu. And if you want to change the borders of the container, you can do so as well. You can change the corners and it will automatically change all the corners. You can add a shadow if you want, and then we will go back again to the menu items. You can also change the state of your menu items like that. So I'll just click on regular, and for background fills, for example, I want to choose green, then I will change the opacity again, and then that will be the look of the navigation menu. You can change the font style if you want. For example, paragraph 3, it made the font size a little smaller. Paragraph 1, it changed the style of our font. If you want to change the font size right here, you can do so as well. You can adjust it right there, and then if you want the menu to be bold, in order to have a bold design, and italicize, or you want to italicize the font, and underline, and so on and so forth. So you'll just need to explore the different features right here if you want to change the look of your navigation menu. And I hope you learned how to edit it, and if you want to view it in your mobile version website, you can just click on preview and that will be the look of our navigation menu. So I'll just click on right here, and then this will be the look of the navigation menu. So you just play around with the different features until you're satisfied with the look of your navigation menu. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.